My name is Joseph Kamaru from Nairobi, Kenya, based in Berlin. I'm a sound artist and field recordist, primarily working with field recordings and also extending this into performances, installations, and different collaborations. My contribution for the exhibition is a sound piece together with the collage or composition of vinyl artworks on the wall. The piece itself is sort of like a collage or conversation of the different LPs or the different sounds from the original archives themselves. Regarding the creative process of the project, it was fulfilling because I got the chance to visit the museum often to engage with the recordings themselves, and listening was quite heavily involved in the whole process, not knowing what the piece is going to be, but just familiarizing or getting more comfortable with the archives themselves, because the project or the piece that I made, Depot, has the sound element, the piece, which is going to be also played on the headphones, and there's the visual representation of the records which I used to make the piece. But then there's a frame which has transducers behind it and vibrates the records in a way that, when you move closer to the frame with the vinyls, you can hear the piece very lowly. I don't know if you can touch, but if you touch it, you can hear the vibration of the piece. And I think this component was important to have in the exhibition.